Okay, here I'm going to use Autograph to do the iteration method. I've got my rearrangement drawn here. Over the top of this I need to draw y equals x, so I'm going to go equation y equals x, and it's thin, so I'm just going to thicken that up. I've double clicked it, draw options, thicken it up a bit. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to do the iteration method. If you don't know already, you will find out at some point it is not going to find that root there. Ask your teacher if you're not sure why. It will find this root here, so I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to try and find this root with an initial estimate of 1. And the way you get Autograph to do this is you click one of the lines until it goes black, and you hold down shift now. So holding down shift, click the second line, and they'll both go black, and then you can right click and you get x equals g of x iteration. So if you click that, I'm just going to drag this down a little bit. I am going to start off with my initial guess of 1. I think I said I'd do that. And then if I click forward, well, you can't really see it very well, but on the left here it seems to be getting the root. You can just about make out a purple line there. So it seems to have found the root, judging by this. I'll do a box zoom. I mean, I think I would cut and paste this in, but you can barely see this purple thing. So there's probably a way of thickening that up. It's just gone black. Edit draw options. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to see it unless we go crazy. Just about see it there. You can change its colours to green or something maybe. Oh, let's try again. Right click, draw options. Yeah, possibly green might come through a bit better. Maybe yellow, I don't know. You can choose all that yourself. So you might cut and paste this in, but if you really want to show the method, you probably want to do some sort of zoom on this area so that you can see it a bit better. I'd be tempted to get rid of all these grid lines, to be honest. I don't think they're necessarily helping. So I'm not quite sure where this is. Let's try edit axes, appearance, grid. We might be able to get rid of them. Let's try white grid lines, see what happens. Yeah, it's not perfect, but perhaps it's a bit better. Let's try some zooming tricks. Yeah, zooming tricks. This seems to be working, although we've lost the x-axis. Doesn't really. Well, that might be not bad. Our x-axis is not starting at 0 anymore, but at least it is showing the method, and it is showing the method for our equation. So cut and paste this over. I'd argue pretty much we can only see 2 iterations here, so you might want to paste this over and zoom in again so that we can hopefully see another one when we zoom in there. Possibly. I think if we put that one in, that might just about do it. I think you want to aim to try and get 3 iterations pasted in so we can see 3 steps.